Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that also created a cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH. The latest Ethereum price is $4,429 or around Rp. 63.3 million. The crypto world is growing rapidly. The emergence of Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin in 2009 prompted other inventors to create more types of cryptocurrencies. According to CoinMarketCap data, there are currently 7,812 cryptocurrencies. One of the cryptocurrencies that competes closely with Bitcoin is Ethereum. According to the Forbes website, experts predict the price of Ethereum could reach $5,000 per Ether before the end of 2021 and skyrocket to over $50,000 by 2030. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that allows smart contracts and distributed applications, DApps, to be built and run without downtime, fraud, control, or interference from third parties. This definition is contained in the book Digital Economics and Business, citing cryptocurrency trading and investment fundamentals. Ethereum itself is building a blockchain network focused on Ethereum coins. Coin developers can create their own coins on the Ethereum network. Citing the book Ethereum for Dummies, in 2013, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine, released an official report proposing a new, more functional blockchain implementation. The proposal was the forerunner of the Ethereum blockchain. After attracting large crowds and gaining technical and financial support, the Ethereum Foundation was created. This is a Swiss non-profit organization that developed Ethereum. Apart from being a type of cryptocurrency, Ethereum has a smart contract feature to ensure integrity across all nodes. Any code executed on one node is executed the same way on all nodes. The system allows Ethereum to deploy various applications.